Item .2821. Level 4 Secret. Containment Class Keter Disruption Class Amida Risk Class Critical. And sub the video before I eat your cake. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-2821 must be monitored on a constant basis for any changes in behavior and size. Geiger counters and cameras are to be lined throughout the chamber, with 2 Minkowski spaced eye monitors set up within a 0.5 km distance around SCP-2821's chamber. The tunnel leading from Lunar Area 32 to SCP-2821 is to be maintained and routinely checked for radiation. 2 airlocks coated with lead foil are placed at the entrance of the tunnel and the midway point of it to prevent contamination of Lunar Area 32 from gamma rays and decaying isotopes. The cover above the hole from the lunar surface to SCP-2821's chamber should resemble the lunar landscape to reduce risk of discovery from cameras. This cover should be made of heat-absorbing materials to match the temperature of the surrounding surface. Transmissions of any sort from SCP-2821 must be reported to Level 4 2821 researchers immediately, along with any possible signs of communication. Non-Foundation personnel that detect these transmissions will be interrogated and administered amnestics. SCP-2821 is a spherical spatial anomaly, theorized to be a true vacuum one, located 1.25 km from Lunar Area 32 in a spherical cavern with a diameter of 0.9 km. The size of SCP-2821 changes erratically at the speed of light, though it currently has a diameter of approximately 0.55 km. Any objects entering SCP-2821 will become subject to the current laws of physics with the anomaly, which change at random intervals too, often causing the destruction of said object. At times objects can be seen forming or moving around within SCP-2821, labeled SCP-2821 instances. Occasionally SCP-2821 instances have left SCP-2821, often breaking apart into various radioactive isotopes and particles. One central entity can be seen with the anomaly, labeled SCP-2821-2. This entity appears as a mass of rapidly flashing colors, with occasional tendrils coming out of it, and has remained permanently in the center of SCP-2821 since its discovery. It is theorized that SCP-2821-2 is either the cause of the anomaly or is preventing its expansion. Occasionally radio transmissions are detected coming from SCP-2821. A majority of these radio transmissions are static, though some contain speech from an unknown individual and miscellaneous noises. The length and times at which these transmissions occur are random, though some of their content has similar themes. Investigation into this is in progress. SCP-2821 was discovered during tunneling from Lunar Area 32 to Lunar Area 13, which would have served as a means of transportation between the two sites. On the 13th of April 2015, after digging 1.25 km from Area 32, a piece of mining equipment fell into a large cavern containing SCP-2821. At this point the cavern had a diameter of 0.8 km. And SCP-2821's size was fluctuating at a rapid rate. During the ensuing investigation and development of containment procedures, SCP-2821 reached a diameter of 0.3 km for a day, before reaching 0.9 km, creating the current cavern size and creating a hole to the lunar surface. This investigation led to the current accepted theory of this being a true vacuum. If SCP-2821 were to begin expanding at the rate dictated in quantum field theory, it would lead to a VK-class reality restructuring event 3. with anything entering the anomaly following its new laws of physics and chemistry, as it takes 1.3 seconds for light to travel from the Earth to the Moon and vice versa. Both the Moon and Earth would be destroyed before the Foundation could take a course of action. After approximately 6 hours, most of the solar system would be destroyed, as the size of SCP-2821 changes at random. This could occur at any given time. Work on creating a suitable means of containment to prevent a VK-class event is currently in development. The leading plan, Project Heisenberg-Starakis, involves the development of a modified Scranton reality anchor to either force SCP-2821 into staying at a set size or to neutralize it. Current issues with the plan include transportation of the device to Lunar Area 32 and the possibility of unknown interactions between SCP-2821 and the device, which could cause worsened containment or the expansion of the anomaly. Point 4. Your cake. Sub-OR I will eat your cake.